welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the most requested video, and even I was very super excited for this video. So this is going to be the Bangkok shopping haul, in which I will be sharing some clothes that I got from there. But before I begin this video, I just want to put this as a disclaimer that if you see a tail moving around, that's my dog, because he's like roaming here and there, and he is a very moody dog and an independent one, so he's gonna do what he wants to no matter what anybody's saying. So the second thing is that whatever I shop from Bangkok is from my own money, and I was saving a lot for this trip, and I managed to shop a lot. And you know, it happens when you come back and you see your stuff and you're like, that's all that I shopped. And when you're buying, it's like you're buying so much. So that is what happened with me. So anyways, this is all the mess that's just next to me, and I'm just gonna share one by one what I got, and some of the things I know their prices, and if I miss any of the things, I just put this down in the description box. Do check out the prices. Secondly, okay, let's just start this video. All right. So the very first thing I want to start up is the t-shirt that I'm wearing. This has all the insects kind of stuff. So my mom was telling me that you couldn't eat these insects because I'm a vegetarian, and you got one t-shirt. So I was really excited for this t-shirt. I think it's really nice. You can pair it up with normal jeans, jeggings or leggings, and put some slip-ons, and you're good to go. So I got this one for I think 200 rupees, and this I got from the Chatuchak market, which is the weekend market. So the next t-shirt that I got, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys must have seen me wearing this Nutella t-shirt. I wore it when I was coming back to India. So this is the Nutella t-shirt, and this is Sifuma is what's written here. That's some kids, I'm so sorry. Sifuma is what's written here, so maybe they call Nutella Sifuma in their language, I don't know. But I really liked this t-shirt. It's a little loose on me, but that's okay. So I paired this up with my blue shorts. The next t-shirt I got is like my favorite one, and if you guys again follow me on social media, I'll put all the links down here and also in the description box for you guys to check. Then you would know that I wore this with my baby pink skirt when I was visiting the Safari World. So this is like a very nice stretchable and very thin kind of material, but it's really nice. You don't have to wear anything beneath it. It is what it says, hats off, and this is like the first thing that I picked in Chatuchak market. And the best thing is that this is not any kind of sticker or something. This is the fabric. So everything is fabric, and this will stay on like this forever. I got this for 300 rupees, and I love this one. You can pair it up with any skirt, any shorts, any jeggings and stuff. So the next is this dress, which you have already seen on my Instagram page. I was wearing this to one of my events, and I really liked it. I got it because I thought it would be like a t-shirt dress. It is a t-shirt dress, but I wanted to add some bling, like something to it, so I wore it with a golden belt on my waist. So this is the shimmery, it has these tiny shimmery thing going on, and this goes below my knee. So do check out my Instagram, you'll see me wearing this and how I styled this. Everyone loved it, like you guys loved this dress. I got so many compliments. So this dress I got for 400 rupees. That's pretty cheap for a dress, and I love this one. I specifically love the color because this is something which I didn't have in my wardrobe. The next thing that I got is this very long basic grey shrug. I got this for just rupees 200, and this was from the Chatuchak market. It is just a basic grey shrug, full sleeve one, but it goes till your below your knees basically, so you can wear it, you know, just as a cover up. If you're wearing a skirt, just to add a little style quotient, you can wear it with, you know, jeggings and your tank top, grungy tops and something like that. So I really liked this one. And then I got this beautiful peach shirt from the Chatuchak market. This shirt was for 400 rupees and I loved it. I love the color, and my friend was like, you know what, you are crazy for peaches, because I love corals, I love peach, I love pastels. So I quickly picked this up. So this is how the shirt looks like. It has these cute, you know, tiny hearts going on all over the shirt, and it has some lace detailing at the sleeves, and on the neck it has this crochet rose neck going. I love this one. I think this will look so pretty, and specifically in Delhi it's like so hot. I'm already sweating. It's like so hot, and this kind of shirt is always, the cotton shirt is always, you know, good for this weather. White long maxi dress, and let me just sort this for you. So this is the maxi dress that I got. It has this crochet thing coming on the shoulders, and this is coming from the back basically. So the back is like this. It is little transy. Let me show you. It is like this. So this is the back. It's a little low back, and this is going till your waist, and it's just a plain maxi till your, you know, the floor length maxi. I think it will look so perfect. This is the back. I think this will look so perfect. You can wear it, you know, with the pom-pom earrings, just to add a little bit of color, and it's just so pretty. I love this white one. I've never found any good white dress, and this is like my favorite one. And from the Chatuchak market, I got this beautiful shirt. There were so many shirts, and the same shirts were also available in Platinum Mall. But the Platinum Mall has some really costly shirts. I mean, the same shirts, I got this for 350 rupees each from Chatuchak market, but these same shirts were available in Platinum Mall for 700 rupees. So that's around double of what you're paying in Chatuchak market. Chatuchak is basically a weekend wholesale market. So it's like if you are buying one shirt, it'll cost you around 450 rupees. But if you are buying 3 shirts, they will give you for 350 rupees each. So I got 2 shirts for myself, and my friend got 1. So we together got 3 shirts, and we paid 350 rupees each for this shirt. I really like this shirt. It is so pretty. It's just like, you know, so girly. It's very pretty. It has this owl going on, and then this mint green thing saying hi. I think you can style this shirt in lot of ways, and just for 350 rupees, I mean, just for 350 rupees, it is so amazing. It comes like this. It doesn't have any, you know, this gap there. It's like this. You can style it. You can wear it with your shirts. Sorry, you can wear it with your skirts. You can wear it with jeggings. You can wear it, you know, with just like your dungarees. You can wear it in lot of ways. I loved this one, and with this I got this white shirt. So I picked 2, my friend got 1, and this is the second white one that I got. It has these beautiful birds and trees kind of situation going on, and the colors of both the shirts are opposite. Like that one has more of pastels in it. This one is like more of lavender, wine, browns going on, and I love this one. And the material is also very nice. It's not something which is very sheer, so I think you can easily carry this off. And the next top is like your favorite one, and you guys have seen me wearing this one, and I got so many compliments, and I wore it in one of my event also. And this is the shirt which you love the most. This is the front, and this is the shoulder, and this kind of cape comes on the cape. I don't know, this kind of poncho kind of thing, I don't know. It's coming on the shoulders, and this is the shirt. Now when I saw this, I was pretty confused because I really like the style, but this has no length. I mean, it's very short. So I just thought that, you know, I can carry it with my skirts, or, you know, if I'm wearing a nice jegging, I can just tuck this in. And so I got it, and I wore it with skirt. And I think with that skirt, it's looking like perfect. Everybody's complimenting and asking me from where I got this. So this basically has no sleeve. It has this is basically a without sleeve top, and this is what it's covering. The best and the eye-catching thing is these, you know, these flats kind of situation. I love this one. It's looking so flattering, and I love this one. I got this for 900 rupees. So I got this shrug, which is such a pretty shrug, and I love it. It's like very pretty, and I got this just for 100 baht, which is 200 rupees from the Chatuchak market. So this is such a pretty shrug. My mom loved it so much. You can see it. It's very pretty. So if you guys want to see me wearing this stuff, I would suggest you guys to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, wherever you guys want to. Follow me in all the 3 social media accounts, because I will be wearing these stuff, and then I'll be sharing the pictures with you, so you guys can see me wearing this stuff. And please follow me on Instagram, please, okay? So the next dress, so the next, what am I doing? So the next dress I got is this one from the Chatuchak market, and you won't believe, like, some of the things I got, like, nothing is so cheap. It's not like I had this perception that I'll find dresses and, you know, the stuff in 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 150 rupees, but that's not the case. You will not find anything less than 400 rupees, but I think that's also a big steal for us, because you're getting new clothes. It's not like Sarojini Nagar where you're getting the second stuff, and Sarojini Nagar has some new stuff also, but most of the time it's second, and you have to export stuff, and you have to see whether they have any defect or not. But in this case, they don't have anything like this going on. They will give you fresh piece. They have so many pieces. They will give you the fresh one, whichever you like. So from the Chatuchak market, there was a shop, and the sale was going on in the shop. I got this dress for, I think, 300 rupees or 400. I don't really remember. So I got this dress from there, and this is the detailing. It has these, you know, this frilly kind of situation going on, and then I don't know where I, you know, learned this word from situation. So this has these black bows coming, and then this dress comes like this. So it has this inner, and this is like, it looks like you're wearing a black dress, and over that you're wearing this shrug. It's a very pretty one. Now if you are shopping from Bangkok, they will never exchange your stuff if the stuff is not fitting you, or if the stuff has this and that. So you really have to check it on spot, because it's just like a, you know, the flea kind of market, and nobody cares. It's just like you buy it, and then you don't come back to them for anything of return or exchange. So whatever I got, I used to come like daily. I used to try this at my hotel, and each one of the stuff that I got fitted me so perfectly, like it was made for me. And this dress is like stunning. I love the colors, I love everything, and this was very cheap also. The next thing I got is, what is that? No, this is what I got from India. Okay, So the next thing I got is this top, which has no brand. And wow, I get water for chidiyas and they are drinking now. Wow. Okay, so this is the top, which has these bell kind of sleeves with all of these work coming up. And I don't remember for how much I got this, but this is like really nice. You can tuck it in and wear it with your printed skirts, with a flare one, and I think it's gonna look so pretty. It's so pretty, right? It's so pretty. I love it. So I like these. I like such pieces, like which is unique and nice. And from the Chatuchak market, I got one t-shirt for myself, one for my mother, and one for gifting. So everybody has their own t-shirt and I'm left with mine. So I'm just showing you what I got for myself. It's kind of a night t-shirt. It's very pretty. I love it. It has this anchor. So I'm an anchor by profession, but this anchor is something else which is used in boats and sailing purpose. So this is something else, but I'm also an anchor, so I got this one for myself. And I love this doggy. Most of the t-shirts from like these kind of t-shirts from Thailand, they will have doggies, they will have cows, they will have all these stuff, you know, embroidered on the t-shirts. I love this one. Also this one I think for 250 rupees, I guess. I don't really remember. And then I got this pretty top, which is like a corporate, you know, for meetings and stuff. I really like this ivory kind of shade. This, do you call this ivory or this is a grey? I think this is a grey. No, not ivory. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. It has these buttons going on till the end, and the sleeves are very normal. And this is how it comes. Let me show you. This is how it comes. It's like this. It comes a little loose, and the back is also loose. So when I wore it, I just felt that, you know, if you are a person who is a little on the heavier side, you should wear V's, because V-neck will make you look slimmer. That's one tip. Sorry, that's one tip. So this is the reason why I got this, and trust me, when I was wearing it, I told my friend that, you know, you should also buy the V-neck tops because they will make you look slimmer, and she agreed with me, because when I was wearing it, I was looking a little bit slimmer. So slim, you can say it. So I would suggest you guys to go for this. That is the only reason why I got this one. This was for 450-500 rupees. I don't really remember. The next thing I got is this very stunning culottes. I love these culottes, and I think they will look so good with this black top that I showed you guys. Remember the black top that you love the most? I think this mustard culotte. Do you call it culottes or culottes? Because there are like two pronunciations going on in the net these days. So you guys got what I'm saying, right? So this is like one of this. This has wrinkles, and this has this huge kind of a belt. You can form a bow with it. Let me show you. So this can come up with like a bow with it, and this will look so nice. And this comes right, you know, above your ankle, a little bit above your ankle, and it looks so stylish. You can pair it up with heels, basic heels. You are good to go. And I got this one for 450 or 500 rupees. I don't really remember. And this dress is, I accidentally got this dress because we were going to the Terminal 21 mall just to, you know, see the mall, because that mall has different stores for like different countries. So one store is like Paris, the one floor is like Paris, the other floor is like Birmingham, and different like floors has different country themes going on. So right outside the mall, like we have this flea market. Like we have this flea market at DLF Promenade Mall. So right outside the mall we had this flea market. Everything was so costly there, but I managed to get this dress, and it was only for I think 450 or 500 rupees. This has these beautiful pearls, and the self design is like this. I love this one. And the pearls, the best thing is that I have never seen the quality, I mean the good quality pearls like this. The pearls look like this, but from the back they are very nicely secured. Like these are the aluminium kind of stuff, which is like, I don't know, it's kind of like nailing it and securing it, because the back, from the back the dress looks like this, and from the front it's not like stitching going on that it will come off. So I really liked it, and for the quality I think I paid very nice amount. And I love this one, specifically the color, the peach is my favorite. It is this khaki color. It's not it's not that dull like it's coming in the camera. It's a very nice khaki one. I don't know why the camera is picking it so pale. It is this beautiful dress. You can pair up with any funky t-shirt. And it looks amazing. It fits me like perfect. I can't even express how beautifully it fits me, and it is from the brand Jizo International. Jizo, I don't know. And stuff is also, stretchable, which is least expected. I got this dress for around 600. I got this dress for around 600-700 rupees, and I love this dress. This dress is like dream. I can't tell you. Maybe you guys cannot see it, but once I'll wear it and I'll post a video on Instagram, you guys will love it. It is that awesome. It looks so awesome. It fits me like perfect. So this is the last dress. I love the color, and this is so pretty. This is the dress I got. It's half sleeves, and it has this bow kind of thing coming right here. So it's something, the bow is not, I thought that it might come right on the chest, which will look abnormal, but it's coming right here. So it looks very nice. It looks very flattering. Plus it has this, you can tie it according to your size. So if you do it like tightly, it will give you a very nice shape also. I loved this one. Has the zipper at the back going till the back, and this is how the dress looks like. This dress again fitted me so nicely, so pretty. This bow was actually so nice. They did it so nicely, and I ruined it. Basically I ruined it. It wasn't like this. I'm just gonna give it to my mom and she will do this stuff. It looks so nice, and the color is so pretty. It's like so bright color. I love it. So that's all that I got from Bangkok haul. It looks so less. Okay, I thought that I'm shopping a lot, but it looks so less now. Alright, so I'll tell you this funny thing which was happening when we were there. So I shopped a lot. When I was just done with everything, we didn't have any money left for shopping. I told my friend that, you know what, once I'm gonna land in India, I'm gonna delete all the shopping apps that I have in my phone. The Myntra, the Jabong, the Coops, the Fabele, every other app, and I'm not gonna shop for the next 6 months. But the funny thing is, when I reached India, after a week or so, I got this message from Coops that they have this flat, sale going on their site, and I was actually scrolling their products if I can get any good stuff. And then I quickly, closed that app. That no, you're not buying anything for next sometime. For some time, I'm not gonna say next 6 months is like so long, but I'm not gonna buy anything for some time. So this is all that I got from Bangkok. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell icon which is right there, bell button which is right there, so that in case you guys don't miss any of my videos. So that's all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.